So I got this box from Pierce Manifolds and also a couple eBay AN 5/16 fittings. And essentially, see, this is a fairly old box, just looking at the sticker. And so this is a fuel dampener. And it's just like a pulsation dampener, much like for injectors. And this is actually for carburetors at the pretty low pressures that we're going to be running at. This was really nice little caps. And so, unfortunately, we're going to have to be cutting this. And we'll be putting on AN fittings because we're running PTFE lines. But this is going to be a diaphragm that keeps the fuel pump pulses from wearing out your needles. And so this is going to be right before the carburetors, and essentially this will just be a nice little added touch to smooth out the performance of carburetors. It's like a $35 little part, but if you're AN, you also have to add in about $15-20 for the AN fittings to switch these hard nipples to AN lines. So this is going to be a pretty good little add-on. This does, if you're just running regular rubber, this will come with, it's like instructions and some extra fuel and fittings. Now let's see what this says real quick. These are marketed for Solexes, and it is a pressure regulator, but also it is a dampener as well. So this is talking about the needle, and with the regulator it takes out that spike of pressure. Essentially, this is what this does. So, and also it shows you your orientation, looks like. Alright. A little extra fuel line. And feels like there's something else in the middle of this. Maybe not, but that's it for today pretty much. We got the AN lines, and we'll just use a regular pipe cutter. And you know, let's spin it around, cut that, and we'll have quite a bit of meat to grab on with this brass fitting right here. Alrighty.